Okay, greeting guys, welcome back to another episode on your Dr. DIY's channel. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to replace Hyundai Ioniq HEV Plus year 2018 front lower arms. So this is the part number. First things first, of course, we need to lift up the car. Okay, we got to open up the front two tires, and we also have to open up the bottom cover. So without further ado guys, hope this video brings some information and knowledge to you. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. So we have lifted the car and we have also taken out the cover. So now we are going to undo the two tires. Okay, yeah. So this is the lower arm we need to change. Okay, so we got to undo size 19. There's a bolt here. Then this is size 17, and the thyroid down here, size 19. But before that, we got to undo the clip. So this is the clip. Got to undo the steering knuckle so that we can pull this out. So this is 19. Okay, good. So this is already out. Now we will basically have the ability to move this guy down. Yes, and move it up. Let me correct. So this is already out. So let's do the first bolt, which is size 17. Alright. Easy to come out. We have to hold here. That is also 19. So okay. And then this is already free to come out. Yeah. So this is our right lower arm. Okay. As noticed, this is very loose. No wonder I hear a lot of knocking sound. Hear this please. So this is already considered gone. You look at the new ball joint, I cannot even move by my hand. Look at the old one. Look at the new one. No joke, I cannot move with my hand. Okay, so let's fit this back now. So can you see the crack? Yeah, so you can see the old versus new. So we put here first, and then we're gonna go there. Use the common ring. Use the ring.
Okay.
Put inside. Okay.
Ada kat mana?
Okay.